Hello and welcome to the course. In today's lecture we will learn about some string operations. So let's write one simple query here. Select static from customers. Just need to execute, and here you can see we are getting different column, but we are interested in name column, and we need to apply some filter criteria that, for example, we need only those names where we have for example Roy, and how we can search this, or how we can apply this filtering criteria in SQL. Just need to write where name like operator, and just need to write here Roy, name like Roy. So any name in which ROY is there, and we don't care about what is the beginning and what is in the end. So if ROY exists anywhere in the name, then we need those names. So we just need to click execute, and here you can see where we are getting 69 rows, and every name contains this string ROY. So we need to achieve the same stuff in DAX. So we can write calculate, because we need to filter column, calculate, and the table is, this is customers, and then we need to use here search function in DAX, and here we need to provide what we are looking for. We are looking for Roy, and the column name, now we need to provide the column name is the customers name. If we found this name, then it should return 1, otherwise it return 0. And then this condition we need, it's a greater than 0. So we need to find out those names where if the Roy, this string is there, then we will get 1, otherwise we will get 0. So that's why when this condition return true, it means we are getting the right customers. So we just need to close it and click run. So here you can see we are getting 69 rows, the same 69 rows here. And if you look at the name column, so every name contain Roy.